Hello guys, this is Lekha. Actually, there is no travel vlog today. I was preparing for PG examination, so unfortunately it got postponed, so I couldn't go anyway. I thought of going after the exam, but I tested positive for COVID-19 virus, so I was in quarantine from 15 days in my own room, and my friends and colleagues were helping me to survive with food and medicines. And today, after 15 days of quarantine, I'm going to test rapid antigen test for COVID virus. Again, I have to see it is positive or negative. So let's go and do it. So firstly, let me sanitize my hands. Okay. This is my COVID kit. This is buffer solution. This is nasopharyngeal swab, and this is COVID-19 antigen card. Okay, starting my test. The swab, I should open from here. Yeah. I'm just going to take help of a mirror. Little nervous. Okay, I'm going through it. Deep breath. It's too difficult, man. Okay, there is my buffer solution. I'm going to open this buffer solution and I'm going to mix it for a minute. Hopefully, I maintained all the quarantine rules. So I didn't go out from 2 weeks. So let me mix it for 1 whole minute entirely. It's done. And yeah, with the help of this tube, I'm going to suck my fluid. Yeah. You can see that. My God, I'm so tensed. It's take a while to get the results. If it is 1 line, it's negative. If it is 2 lines, it's positive. Let me check it. Oh my God. So we have to leave this card for few minutes and let's see if it is 1 line, yeah, 2 lines. Oh yeah, it's negative. Yeah. Actually, I was COVID positive just 15 days before when I tested COVID positive. I was in quarantine for 15 days in my room itself. And I got negative today. Wow! It's working, man. I'm so happy that I got negative. You know, from past 15 days, I couldn't meet my friends. I can't go out. I didn't meet anyone. Even my friends and colleagues used to drop my food outside of my room. I was really very tensed because I'm in Delhi. You know the condition in Delhi. There is no medicine, there is no oxygen, and there is no bed available here. So what if I'm getting any respiratory distress? So I buy my pulse oximeter from this pharmacy and a thermometer. I bought it for triple the price. There was no stock for first few days, and then I ordered and I got it for triple the price. So fortunately I got negative today. It may not be the same for everyone, so please be in home. Don't go for the gatherings, don't go outside. It's for your sake, your family's sake, and for the country's sake. This is Lekha signing off from Delhi.